today we are going to learn to crochet this beautiful tilted block square stitch. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at this. It's a very easy 2-row repeat that you will enjoy making. Alright guys, so for my sample here, I am just using a medium 4-weight yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. So what we need to do is do a multiple of 8 and then we add 4. So I'm going to, for the sample here, I'm going to chain 24 and then I will add 4 to it. So I will end up chaining 28. To start your chain, we're going to make a slip knot. This, okay, now I'm going to chain 24 and then I'm going to add 4. That's a multiple of 8 plus 4, so I'm going to chain a total of 28. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 28. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's the first and there's the second. And we're going to single crochet in each stitch across the chain. So that was 1. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Insert your hook in the next chain, grab your yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. And you just keep repeating that all the way across. And you should have 27 single crochets. So I will meet you when you get to this last single crochet at the end. I'm on my last single crochet here. Okay, so that is row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 3. 1 2 3, turn our work, and we're going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 2, not this stitch where we did the chain 3, but the next 2 stitches. Work a double crochet. And guys, this is a very easy pattern. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you now have a double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochets. Now the pattern starts here. We're going to skip the next 2 chains, and in the 3rd chain we're going to make a treble crochet. And a treble is where you yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's a treble. Now you're going to chain 3. 1 2 and 3. Now we're going to work across this treble post here. We're going to work 3 double crochets in here. So yarn over, insert your hook in the front of the post, grab the yarn from the behind, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Just do your normal double crochet. So that was 1. I'm going to work another one. Do it nice and slow. And it's just a regular double crochet. You're just doing it over this post. Yarn over. And put your hook behind. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you should have a chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now we're going to skip the next 2 double crochet, the next 2 stitches right here. And we're going to put a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So skip the next 2 and work 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now that's your repeat pattern, where you skip 2, do a treble, chain 3, 3 double crochets across your treble post, skip 2, and 3 double crochets. So let's repeat that. Skip the next 2 stitches. I'm going to make a treble, yarn over twice on your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have our treble, so we're going to make 3 double crochets across these posts, this treble crochet post here. Yarn over, insert your hook around the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's a double crochet. And you just keep repeating that. You're going to do 3 of these. 3 double crochets across the post. Yarn over, insert your hook around the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this is what it's looking like now. Skip the next 2 stitches and you're going to put a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So skip 1, 2, and let's do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And that was your repeat. So we're going to do this again. Skip the next 2, and then third one, we're going to make a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's your treble. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to put 3 double crochets around this treble post. See, it gets easy the more you do it. You just do it without thinking. Okay, we're going to skip the next 2 stitches and we're going to put a double crochet in these last 3 stitches. And that will be the end of our row. It's 1, 2, and 3. So here's what it's looking like now. Isn't that pretty? So row and 3 are going to be our repeat rows. So now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work. Okay, we have a chain here and 2 double crochets. We're going to put a double crochet in each of these 2 double crochets. So not the first one because you did a chain 3. So double crochet in the next 2. It's 1 and 2. So now we're going to chain 2, and in this chain 3 space, before you did those 3 double crochets, you did a chain 3. Well, in that chain 3 space, you're going to work a single crochet. That chain 2, and now you have 3 double crochets. You're going to work on top of these 3 double crochets. There's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. Chain 2, 1, 2, and in that space right there of your chain 3 space, work a single crochet. What you're doing is you're setting yourself up for your treble row, for your blocks. Okay, chain 2, and we're going to work a double crochet in each of the next double crochets. One, two, and 3. Chain 2, and in this space right here, between the chain 3 space, going to single crochet, and chain 2. And then you have 3 double crochets left here. You're going to make a double crochet. Well, you have a chain 3 and the 2 double crochets. So you're going to make a double crochet in the first double crochet stitch, another double crochet in the second one, and then you're going to make one in the top of your chain 3 space. Okay, so that is one of your repeat rows. Isn't that pretty? It's just beautiful. So that's row 3. 4, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn our work. We're going to work a double crochet in the next 2 double crochets, not this one, but these 2 are here. One double crochet and 2 double crochets. Now we're going to make a treble in that single crochet space. Remember, you yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You made a treble crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochets around the post of the treble. Yarn over, insert your hook in around, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you do that 2 more times. 1 and 2. Now you're going to make a double crochet in the next 3 double crochet stitches. One and 3. Okay, so you make another treble in that single crochet space. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Work 3 double crochets around the post of your treble. It's 1, 2, and 3. So you just repeat that to the end, and I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm to the end where that chain 3 was. So let's go ahead and make a double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Now that is your repeat rows. So if you want the end, this end to match this end, what we need to do is we will need to repeat row 3 again. So now that you finished row 4, let's go back to row 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, turn your work, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and you finish that, go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2, and work a single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, and a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 2, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. This is what it looks like so far. That's 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2, put a single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, and a double crochet in the top of the 2 double crochet stitches and in the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, and then 3 double crochets. All right, now to take it a little farther, we're going to do another row across here. It's going to be a single crochet row. This is when you're ending your project. This is only when you're ending your project. You keep going with rows 3 and 4 to as long as you want it to be. And then once you get to your desired length, then you make sure that you end on this row 3, like I just did. And then you go ahead for your finishing row, chain 1, turn your work. You're going to work a single crochet in the first 3 stitches right here. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to work a single crochet in each of the chains, not around the chain or under the chain, but in the chain. It's 1 and 2. Then you're going to work a single crochet in that single crochet stitch. And you should have the same amount of single crochets on this row as you did on row 1. Okay, and then you work a single crochet in the next 2 chains, and then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3. It's looking like that. See how that's looking like the bottom? Okay, single crochet in the next 2 chains. 1, 2, single crochet in the single crochet stitch. And just repeat that all the way across. Okay, when you get to the very last one, you'll have a single crochet in the top of that chain, turn-in chain, for that chain 3. Okay, guys, that is it. All right, guys, that is it. That is the tilted block stitch. I hope you enjoy this. I think it's a very easy stitch. It looks a little complicated. It looks fun, exciting, and it is very easy. It's just a 2-row repeat. All right, guys, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.